Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Facebook Pixel with Events Manager Diagnostics, detailed guide. To verify your Facebook Pixel with Events Manager Diagnostics, begin by logging into your Facebook business account. Once logged in, navigate to the Events Manager found in the top right corner of your screen. In the Events Manager, locate the Pixel option in the left-hand menu. Click on the pixel you wish to verify. You will see an overview of the pixel's performance and activities. Look for a section labeled Diagnostics in the left-hand menu under the pixel. Click on the Diagnostics option to access the diagnostic tools. The Diagnostics page will display any issues detected with your pixel. Review the listed issues carefully. Each issue will provide details on what may be wrong or misconfigured. If you see a warning or error message, click on it for more information. Follow the provided recommendations to resolve any issues. Use the Test Events tool for real-time pixel testing. Click on the Test Events tab located at the top of the page. Enter your website URL where the pixel is installed. Click the Open Website button to initiate the test. This will open your website in a new tab. Perform actions on your website that should trigger the pixel. Return to the Events Manager tab to see if the actions are being recorded. The Test Events tool will display whether your events are firing correctly. If events are tracked successfully, you will see them listed in real time. If events do not show up, revisit the pixel setup to ensure it's correctly implemented. Check that the pixel ID matches the one shown in the Events Manager. Make sure your browser's ad blocker is disabled while testing. If you continue to experience issues, consult Facebook's troubleshooting guide. After addressing any errors, verify again using the Test Events tool. Once everything is functioning correctly, you've successfully verified your Facebook Pixel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.